This is TWiT. Listen, I know a man who knows a man. His name is Johnny Jett, and he's our traveling guru. He is in Hawaii. Are you...
You're good. You know, when you played that, I thought that was you for the first second. I was like, oh, my God. You're good, Leo.
You're on vacation, though. This is vacation for you, right?
No, I am actually
not on vacation. You're working?
I don't vacation. Actually, I was brought over here by Hawaiian Airlines and Barclays card because they just refreshed their Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard, which actually, you know, is a great deal. Right now, they have 50,000 bonus miles if you spend a certain amount. I think it's $4,000 within 3 months. But those 50,000 miles is enough for a free round trip ticket from the West Coast to Hawaii.
Oh.
And also, the reason why it's refreshed is because they're now adding. You get $3 you get 3 points per dollar spent on Hawaiian Airlines, $2, which they didn't have before, on groceries, dining, and then $1 for everything else, and gas, by the way, for the $2.
Is that the airline you can get the ukulele on?
Exactly. So I was telling you, if you fly Air Island on Ohana by Air, like let's say you're going to Molokai or Lanai,
yeah,
and you're on it's a
the
prop plane,
little
like
puddle jumper, yeah.
I think it's 50 seats.
Yeah,
There's one ukulele on board. You can ask for it, and someone gave me the tip. A flight, someone who worked for Hawaiian, and I asked the flight attendant, and he looked at me. He's like, "Oh my God, how did you know about that?" And he went and got it, and he goes, "It's so dusty, no one's asked for it in months." And so anyway,
do you play the ukulele?
I do not play. You know, I was driving the other passengers nuts, but you know.
So learn a song or two. It's not that hard, and then ask for the ukulele.
I'm not very musically inclined, but it's a great little. It's a great tip to, you know, just at least to do a pose for a photo if you want.
Oh yeah, I love Hawaii. I have such a soft spot for Hawaii. You're right now in Kauai at the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. How nice.
Yeah, it's a beautiful pool, especially for a young one. So Jack's here with me, and he just loves this pool. It's a lagoon. The water's too rough out here for.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I need a nice beach. Maybe I'll go somewhere else then.
It's just rough. The last few days, it's been rough.
Oh, okay.
But speaking of deals, they're actually Hawaii's on sale. I saw yesterday in Scott's Cheap Flights that $379 from certain spots on around the country round trip. Also, I'm looking right now, Alaska Airlines from DC, $554 round trip.
Is it because it's a summertime and it's kind of hot in Hawaii? Is that why?
No. Actually, this is the busiest time right now.
It is
now and between Christmas and New Year's, this is the busiest time of the year. So these fares are not for right now; they're for September. October, I think, is the slowest time in Hawaii.
Why is that? Is it rainy?
No, it's just because all the kids are back in school.
Good. That's when I want to go.
It's not a big bit. Yeah, October's a great.
I don't want to go when the kids are there.
But it can be rainy then. But that's not why.
Who cares? Rain's nice.
Yeah. Because everyone's back in school right now. Australians are here because it's their winter break. There's a lot of them.
Oh yeah.
But also, speaking of Australia, by the way, I just looked now. There's some really good deals to Australia. American Airlines from San Francisco to Sydney, $746 round trip. From LA to Melbourne, $763 round trip.
Wow.
I mean, that's unusual for Australia. So take a look at those.
I'll give you a plug. If you go to johnnyjet.com and sign up for his travel deals newsletter, he has two, daily travel tip and the travel deals. These are the kinds of things that he puts out. Whenever there's something hot, you'll get it in the email.
And if I don't have time to make a newsletter, which like today because I'm running around, I'll tweet it out. So you can at least follow my Twitter.
Johnny Jett on Twitter. Yeah.
And because I'm on the Garden Island, I thought I'd come up with a great garden app. Because I love hiking. So one of the things when I hike around, and my dad always taught me to stop and smell the flowers. Well,
yes.
You know, sometimes people are like, "What's that flower?" I'm like, "I have no idea." So I did a little search, and GardenAnswers.com. They have a free version on Android and iOS, and it instantly identifies 20,000 plants, over 20,000 plants. So you take a picture and you hit upload, and it will tell you what you're looking at. And I just did that last week when I was in New York at the Central Park Zoo. Actually, Natalie took a picture of me, tested it out. And it worked great. It told me exactly what the flower was. And for some reason, if you do stump the app, you can actually pay, I think it's $1 or $2, and send your photo to one of their horticulturists, and they'll reply within 24 hours and tell you everything about it.
So this is not a website. It's an app. It's on iOS and Android. It's called Garden Answers. The website is, as you said, gardenanswers.com.
But it's an app.
You need the app. Yeah, the website can't help you.
No, the website will not help you. So
I've been using one called Snap Plant. I
was just about to mention that. So that they charge $3.99 for that one. Oh no, sorry, Plant Snap. Is that what you said?
Plant Snap. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, Plant Snap. That's actually how I learned about this, where I got the idea, because it was in my Instagram feed. They sponsored, they were sponsoring an ad in there, and all of a sudden I was going through my thing, and it was
I've used it quite a bit. It's not 100% accurate, but I think it's a hard thing to do, right?
I would think so. But yeah, I was good at. I was actually going to talk about Plant Snap and write about it, but then when I was doing some research, people were saying, no, Garden Answers is better. First of all, it's free.
Yeah.
I mean, so you save $3.99 and it has more answers.
I'm gonna get both, and I'll compare them, because there is. I'm gonna see tonight at the restaurant we go to every once in a while a plant that they asked me. They said, "Do you know what this is?" And I said, "I don't know." And according to Plant Snap, it's an Albanian spurge, Euphorbia carassius. But I am going to get my Garden Answers out and see if they say the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great little travel app as well. Especially if you're hiking and you have Wi-Fi, you can definitely just tell your friends, and you don't have to let them know that you're using an app. You can say, hey, this is what this is.
Happen to know. My mom's like that. She doesn't need an app. She is the app.
Really?
She knows,
my sister's
man.
like too. Yeah, and I'm like, I have no idea. I barely know what a daffodil is.
All right, Garden Answers Plant Identification. That's your app. What's your site?
So you know what? I don't have a site today,
Johnny.
But I have I want to mention a really good travel product that people should carry.
All right, that's even better. Okay.
Yeah. So, gaffer tape.
Yes, we use gaffer tape here in the studio all the time.
Yeah. So I used to carry duct tape.
No, because it doesn't unstick.
Exactly. Actually, I might have mentioned. I don't know if I mentioned this once before with you, but anyway.
I don't think so.
Okay, good. I've been meaning to. Every week I put it in my notes, so I never have time to run it by.
So duct tape is the more common variety. You can repair shoes. You can make a wallet.
Suitcase.
But it's really sticky. Gaffer tape is designed.
Sticky.
Yeah, gaffer tape is designed to be removed.
Exactly, and that's what I learned that from one of my buddies when I was actually Spud Hilton when I was up in San Francisco.
Oh, good old Spud. He knows all about the gaff. Here's a roll. It's expensive though.
Actually, it's like $9 for a big roll on Amazon. That's what I bought a big roll, and then I just wrapped like around the pen a small little version that I carry in my carry-on.
Oh, what a good idea! You don't have to carry the big roll. Just put a bunch of it on a pen or something.
That's what I do, and it's in my.
Smart.
I can pull it out right now. It's in my my bag.
And what do you use it for?
I use it for a number of things besides repairing suitcases, which fortunately I don't have to do. Actually, I did last week. Natalie's away bag broke, so we use that. But also I use it when there's lights in the room bother me. I'm a sensitive sleeper, so if there's like a bright light on the TV or on like
tape over
the light switch,
the LEDs. They're everywhere.
I put tape over it.
Yeah, but don't put tape over the LED on the smoke sensor.
Smoke alarm.
They'll get you mad. They'll make you mad. They'll get mad at you. Although I don't. Yeah, because you do want to know that that's working. Right. I'm putting some on a pen right now. This is a good idea.
But I always take it off. So
yeah, see, that's the beauty part is it's easy to take off.
And that's exactly because the duct tape, it would always leave this residue, and I was like, oh my gosh. And also I use it because traveling with Jack, we need to make sure everything's baby proof, and some of these rooms have really sharp edges.
Yeah.
And we used to travel with little foam corners, but if I don't have them or we ran out of them, I will tape a towel to it.
Johnny's the best. Tape a towel. Always have a towel too. That's another tip. JohnnyJett.com. Thank you, Johnny. We'll talk again next week. Leo Laporte, the tech guy.
Aloha.
Aloha.
That was great. I don't know how you queued that music up so fast. And I really thought it was you for a second. I was like, oh my gosh.
I could do it if I only knew the words. This
I
is
wouldn't
good.
be surprised.
This is a good tip, is put this right on the pen. You don't have to bring a big roll, but you can get about 5 feet on a pen. And now you're all set.
Yeah, actually, I'll show you mine so you don't think I'm full of it.
No, that's brilliant. I'm going to do this. This is a life hack.
It's really great. Here it is. Here's mine.
Look at that. Oh, you got quite a bit there.
Actually, this is round chapstick.
Oh, even better. And that way it's a no-slip grip.
Yeah.
Chapstick with a no-slip grip.
So this is what I put in my carry-on.
But is this strong enough to repair a suitcase malfunction?
For sure. I mean, Natalie's away bag cracked, and so we covered it up.
Yeah. Well, this is used in studios like for everything. That's,
right.
gaff tape is like, and it tears too, which is nice. You can just tear a clean edge on it.
Right after I, brought the gaffer tape, I saw someone driving down the street. I'm pretty sure it was duct tape, but they literally had their whole
car duct taped together.
Their bumper taped on. I'm talking the whole bumper.
There, I'm putting that in my briefcase. That's very handy. Bumper, duct tape on.
So I'm glad you like that.
No, I mean, if I ever need it, I could steal a roll. That's for sure. We got a lot of gaff tape here. Very popular here. But that is the key. I'll show it again because people don't know. Unlike duct tape, which you really have to have scissors, gaffer tape, it tears.
Right off.
It's fabric backed, so it tears, and it tears perfectly every time. So that's the real advantage of gaff tape, right?
I think we had to cannibalize the Mac Pro.
Yeah, we made a Mac Pro out of 10 rolls of gaff tape, but 6 rolls. But that's like $80 worth of gaff tape. So here, you can have this back. Thank you.